Can you tell I'm Russian? I am Russian because I've got something to do. Going back to work tomorrow for the first time in 2 weeks. So I need to eye my stuff. Let's go. If anybody in this video, watching this video, on YouTube. Let me know if you want me to start talking more. I usually talk a bit at the end, but I don't think anybody really watches to the end. Because I'm a boring son of a bitch. But yeah, if you want me to start talking, let me know. Let me know by leaving a comment with the turtle emoji with like a talking megaphone, so I know to start talking more. But there's probably just one person at the minute watching this far anyway, if that. The one person will be Jordan shaves. If he's got time for me. If not, he'd probably watch on the weekend. But yeah, let me know, because I want to know if I'm just wasting my time making these videos if nobody's watching them to this length, or do I just carry on with the short videos on social media? Just let me know. Put any emoji even, or anything, just say yes, talk or no. But no talking and still think videos, or do a bit of both. A bit of rambling. Or shut the fuck up, bitch. And if you actually have got this far, maybe and you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing. I never mentioned that before, but let's see if I'll get any subscribers. So let's be YouTube famous. Psych. I couldn't care to be famous. So what has got you into wet shaving? Let me know in the comments. What made you start traditional wet shaving? Was it to save cost? Or was it just because it looks cool? Let me know. And if you would like to know why I got into it, let me know in the comments. And maybe I'll do like a Q&A or some shit. But that's obviously when I start getting people watching my rubbish. It's just so awkward to look in the camera. And there. And talk as well, because I just don't talk very much. Unless when I'm comfortable around stuff and people, then you can't get me this sharp. But I'm super socially awkward. Also, I do on social media get a few comments saying, why do I look so serious? Smile. It's just my face. I don't smile unless like there's something what's made me laugh or something, but in general, that's just my face. I just look like somebody you wanna punch. But deep down, I've got a heart of gold. Could you rinse this off and put some splash on and say goodbye? Let's get this. Oh, I love this scent, second favourite. Out of the 11. Well, second out of the 11 of perfumes. Because I do love that pina colada. But I would say that was like one of the original scents that come out a few years back. So I'm not counting it. That smells so good. It's 212, fuck you. No, it's 212 VIP Black, I believe. And that just smells, oh. That's the 5th time I've used that. I used it 4 times off camera. Just love it, no stinger whatsoever. Super duper smooth. The scent is banging. It's not strong. Like a perfect balance. Not overpowering, but you get enough so you know what it is. Oh, it's just so good. And shout out to Zomchi for the leather. I'm not going to touch it now because all my hands have got that one, but leather case in this bad boy. Well, I've had this for a couple of years. But the leather case is new, so I'll be using that. Oh, and the head protector. But yeah, let's look at that. Not the most efficient shave, but super smooth on this I go. But I never go against the grain because I'll end up getting too much ingredients. But that's like a nice daily shaver. The 11 soaps have all done. So just love that smell. If you haven't tried that, I recommend this one the most, and like the frankincense 2.0. So those two top. And obviously the pina colada. Banger scent for summer. Ooh. But yeah, if you got this far in the video, I really appreciate you. Much love. To the next one. Peace.